Hi everyone, you're welcome to another video. Well, this is the quickest 15 minutes Cameroonian dish which is served with fufu corn. This is eaten by the Bamenda people of Cameroon, and for those I've seen the Babungo people eat this a whole lot. We're going to grab our tomatoes. We need some pepper for some heat, and we equally need some onions. It is left to you on whether to use purple or white. You need your seasoning cubes, very much needed for some taste, and so you need salt. For those who do not like red oil, you can use groundnut oil, and that is what we will be using. When it comes to the fish of choice, you can use this, but the fish which is used for this is different. Proceed to chop your onions. And tomatoes. Into your hot pot, add in your oil, and you're equally going to add in some salt. Proceed to fry your fish until crisp. Thereafter, you're going to add in your onions and you fry alongside your fish. Please don't let it get burnt, but just take it out. Into that same pot, you're going to add in your tomatoes and cook your tomatoes. That means you're just going to let it fry in this oil and release its own water. Season properly and continue to cook. Add your pepper and continue to stir fry. Once you've properly fried it to get rid of the sour taste, you're going to add in some water. Thereafter, you're going to add your fish, cover the pot and let it cook for some minutes. Here you go, it is ready and it is eaten with fufu corn. So you can have this with fufu corn any day, anytime. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.